welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long. Your boy just been busy per usual. I ain't gonna hold y'all with too many excuses today. I got 2 boxes in. Y'all already know what's up, mystery boxes. We got 2 of them. We got a 1050. I wrote it down on top of the box. And then down here I got a 1175. I got boxes all over the room, y'all. So I'm gonna run through this one real quick and hopefully have time to shoot another one. Just got in from the gym. My little boy sleep, so gotta be quiet, gotta be quick. Trying to get these done. I'm excited to see what's in here. I just got an 875 box, y'all. I didn't even shoot a video for it. This box has so much heat in it, some old heat, like Jordan 17s, DS, and Jordan 4s, like crazy. Everything DS. That would be dope if this one had a lot of DS sneakers, but you just never know. Let's see if I can get this box out of here. I'm running out of space in this room, y'all. All right, here we go. 1050. We got a big old gold box. Get this out the way. We got a Kevin Durant KD 10. Had these before. Super comfortable hooping shoe. Back when I was playing a little bit of basketball for cardio, I had the all gray pair. I don't know what they're called. I don't know what these are called either, but really cool hooping shoe. As far as KDs go, these up there in the top 5 because KD don't put out no fire kicks. But as far as KDs go, these are definitely one of the best. I say the 4s, the 6s was cool, and these 10s are cool. He might have one more model, but KD do not put out a lot of cool kicks. We got an old Nike box. Air Max 90 Quick Strike. Looks like some sort of USA 4th of July edition Air Max 90. All red joints. Nothing too special here, just an all red shoe. Size 9.5 on these. I'll tell y'all what size the KDs was. The KDs was a 10. So 9.5 on these. Air Max 90. Just need a good little cleaning. Not too bad. Not a bad model. I like the Air Max 90. I had a few of those back in the day. I've had this box before. Air Force One Supreme. Yeah, I've had this box before. Yeah, I had this same shoe before. I remember I had them in a 14 because I gave them to my tattoo artist. Size 9 on these. These are Supreme Air Force Ones. It's Supreme, but these aren't like super hyped up or crazy up there in price. Size 9. These are pre-owned, but not in bad shape. A few little creases in the toe box, but look like they come with all the bells and whistles. A little strap and the extra laces that they supposed to come with. Supreme Air Force Ones. I don't hear that much about Supreme stuff no more. Is that still like crazy hype? Y'all let me know. I remember people was camping out on the websites and all that. I mean, I know it's still valuable, but is it like it was? It's like something floating around in this box. We got a Jordan 11 size 9.5. Whew. Size 9.5 on these. Some would say the greatest shoes of all time. We got the Bread 11s, not dead stock. These will probably sell instantly. These are pre-owned. Still got that 23 fully intact on the back. This is an instant sale. Would be an instant keeper if they was my size and if I didn't already have them. These are 9.5 though. I'm pretty sure they won't last long sitting around here. I say that, but I don't know. I be so slow on posting stuff, man. I just been grabbing stuff and selling it locally. People randomly hit me up on IG, what you got in my size, and stuff be flying. So 9.5 on those. That's a dope pickup. We got 4 pair left. And I'm about to get this one out the way. I know it's at the bottom of the box. I normally wait. Matter of fact, I can't even get it out, so I'm gonna grab this one. Size 10, Jordan 3 OG. The black cements. The black cements with the Nike Air on the back. A lot of people grill. This is a dope shoe. I actually need these again. Wrong size though. I need at least a 10.5. These are fire. Boom. Check out the bottom. We got all that star action on the bottom. Look, hopefully you guys can see that. Man, whoever had them took care of them. They starting to have that glitter effect on there. But that's nothing just to be wiped off. Size 10 on these. Really good condition. Still got the hang tag in there. Hang tag in the box with it. Another dope shoe. I wouldn't mind doubling up on those braids. I'm still thinking if them would have been a 10.5. We got an Ultra Boost, undefeated Ultra Boost. Had these before. Pretty simple, but I really like them. All white. I just like that black going across the toe like that. I don't know why, but I be feeling these. These were came out a while ago. Like I said, I had them. I didn't wear them. I had sold them. Undefeated collab. Size 10 on here. With the extra laces. Really could use a cleaning. I see some stains. Oh, it's not stains. Some glue or something. I guess that's glue. I don't know what that is. It looks stained though. It don't look like white. I'll probably give them a good cleaning. See what they turn out like. Undefeated. This was the box I was trying to get out the way. Just because I seen Steph Curry, Under Armour. These are a size 10, Steph Curry 6. This is a bright shoe. They probably mad comfortable too. I don't know. I've never had Steph Curry shoes. I don't think I've ever put Under Armour shoes on before. These say Rep the Bay on the toe. On the tongue right here. Steph Curry, greatest shooter of all time. I don't think too many people would argue that. Look how bright these things are. Size 10. Probably a dope hoop shoe. At the bottom of the box. Seemed like a top of the box type shoe, but yeah. We got one left. This box was kind of packed. We got 3, 5, 7. Yeah, we got a bunch of shoes in this box. Whoa, we got some more heat. These are size 9.5. Air Jordan 3 OG. Calm down, calm down. We got the True Blues. True Blue 3s. I would have kept these too had they been in my size. True Blue 3s and Black Cement 3s in the box. Both of them had a good old Nike on the back, which I'm a fan of. I know a lot of people don't care about that. I'm a fan of it. True Blue 3, really good shape. You see the stars looking like on the bottom. Man, probably the same owner of the Black Cements. I keep on wanting to say Black Cats, but these are fire. Right shoe, wrong size. This whole box was just the wrong size. The braids, the Black Cements, and these. Golly, I've been selling kicks out of my personal collection. Luckily, there's been a lot of local people, so if I ever need something back, I know where to go get it. But yeah, man, that's gonna conclude the 1050 box. Again, my bad for the slow uploads. I know some of y'all really enjoy watching these mystery box unboxings. They've been coming in, but just no time. But 1050 boxes down, we got a 1175 box over here. I had one box over here with some Travis Scott 6s in the size 12. Hit me up if you need them. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE and TGOTSOLE for sale. Hopefully I get some more stuff up on there. That's gonna conclude the box. I'm gonna quit rambling. I'm out. Peace.